Welcome. In front of me is a ASUS ROG Phone 8, and today I will show you how you can enable and also set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. Now one of those should be a Do Not Disturb toggle, so if you don't see it on the first page, you can swipe to the left and this will show you additional pages. So let's see if I can find my Do Not Disturb mode somewhere. Oh, there we go, it's right over here. So once you see it, first time around, you want to hold it. This will quickly take you to the settings where you can, number one, check out how it's set by default, and obviously customize it to fit your needs. Going over some of the options right here, I'm only going to touch upon the more important ones, like people, which allows you who can call you or message you. Then we have schedule. Here you can select a fully automatic schedule, which will enable your Do Not Disturb mode at a provided day of the week and start time, and then turn it off at an end time. And it's going to obviously repeat for every day of the week that you have selected. And you can create new ones. You don't need to utilize the ones that come enabled or added by default. Now, next thing here is the duration for quick settings. This will be for people that want to use this mode manually and obviously occasionally. So I personally like to set it up for something like 4 hours. And once that's enabled, every time I actually tap on a toggle, it will get enabled for the amount of hours that I have selected. After that time, it will automatically turn off, so I don't need to remember about it. By default, once you enable it, you need to remember about it, otherwise it would be running indefinitely in the background. Now, scrolling down, we have a couple additional options, which you can obviously switch on or off depending on what you want, but those were primarily the most important options. So whenever you want to enable your Do Not Disturb mode, simply find the toggle and this time around tap on it and you're good to go. If you're using schedule, just make sure that the schedule itself in here is toggled on like so. And that's all you need to do. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.